Difference between path length and displacement. What is path length? Total distance traveled by a body is known as path length. What is displacement? Change in position is known as displacement. Number 2, path length is a scalar quantity. Displacement is a vector quantity. Number 3, path length is always positive. Displacement may be positive, may be negative, or may be zero. Path length is always greater than or equal to displacement. Suppose one person went to petrol pump in north direction. Petrol pump is 4 kilometers away from his home. Then he went to supermarket. Supermarket is 3 kilometers away from the petrol pump. In this journey, path length is home to petrol pump to supermarket, that is 4 plus 3 equal to 7 kilometer. Displacement, that is change in position, or we can say shortest path, and it is home to supermarket HS equal to, according to Pythagoras theorem, 4 square plus 3 square, that is 16 plus 9, square root of 25. This is 5 kilometers. In this condition, path length is positive, displacement is also positive. So displacement is shortest path. Now this person came back to home on same path, S to P, supermarket to petrol pump to home. When he came back to the home, total path length will be 4 plus 3 when he went to supermarket, and 3 plus 4 when he came back to the home. So we can write 2 into 4 plus 3, 4 plus 3, 3 plus 4. So path length will be 4 plus 3, 7 to the 14 kilometer. So person came back at home, path length will be 14 kilometer. In this condition, displacement, which is change in position, initially he was at home and finally he was at home, so displacement is home to home, that is 0. In this condition, path length is positive but displacement is 0. Now from home he went to playground. He went to playground in south direction. Playground is 2 kilometers away from his home. So path length during whole journey will be 14 kilometer, 4 plus 3, 3 plus 4, that is 14 kilometer, plus home to playground, that is 2 kilometer. It is 16 kilometer. And what will be displacement? Displacement is equal to, we can take minus 2 kilometer, because home to home displacement is 0 and home to ground displacement is minus 2 kilometer, because it is opposite to the north direction, or we can say it is in negative axis direction. So we can take displacement minus 2 kilometer. Here path length is always positive, but displacement is minus. So displacement may be positive, may be negative, or may be 0. Now we will see difference between speed and velocity. These topics were in 9th standard and they are in 11th standard also. So difference between speed and velocity. First point, I will write formula. Speed equal to path length upon time, or speed equals to distance upon time. Number 1, velocity equal to displacement upon time. Speed is a scalar quantity. Velocity is a vector quantity. Magnitude of velocity is speed. Velocity is vector and its magnitude is scalar. Velocity is vector and its magnitude is scalar, which is speed. So magnitude of velocity is speed.